Hi, I'm Margot Merrill, and this is my Mentor Research Project. My question: is 6 weeks long enough to teach a program to mastery for a student teacher? This fall, I worked with Kelly Orthman as a student teacher for her special education endorsement. Kelly has worked as a regular ed teacher for multiple years in the Tok area. She is familiar and comfortable with different types of technology. As a special education teacher, you use an assortment of different types of technology. The three we decided to target are iPlan, AimsWeb, and MobyMax. iPlan is our special education computer-based program where we keep our IEPs and assessments. AimsWeb is an internet-based program we use for progress monitoring and academic progress. MobyMax is an internet-based tutoring program designed for special education students. Before I began mentoring, I researched what makes a good mentor program. I discovered an article that differentiated a coach and a mentor. According to this article, a mentor is a peer who can be a go-to person, get advice, share ideas, and troubleshoot problems. A coach is someone who is more available, like an instructional coach. This coach is available to spend additional time in order to teach and guide you as you learn a program by setting goals and meeting regularly. I ventured further by comparing two different research papers that studied mentoring models. Both papers found these common qualities. Together, the mentor and the mentee set a goal with a vision of the end result. The mentor starts working with the mentee at his or her knowledge base of the technology chosen. A plan is developed with a regular meeting set to meet the goal. The mentee works at his or her pace. The mentor guides instruction. It is a collaborative team with a give and take. It is in no way evaluative. These are considered best practice of any mentor model. In order to determine which programs to teach, Kelly took a survey of her knowledge and comfort level of the different programs available. A goal was set for ability to use the programs independently. Scheduled sessions were set along with on-the-job training. During the 6 weeks, we kept a journal of our sessions together. And at the end, she took another survey of her comfort and knowledge of the 3 programs we used. Kelly was already familiar with the AimsWeb, so we began with this program. Sessions included an overview of the program, downloading assessments and reports, and giving tests and inputting data. MobyMax was used every day in the classroom and therefore ongoing. The sessions included an overview of the program, inputting students, and downloading reports and incentive rewards. After an overview of iPlan, we completed 2 annual reviews and an exit meeting. I also had her input the progress monitoring data into the program. For data collection, we both kept a journal of our sessions. I gave a pre and post survey. At the end of the 6 weeks, we discussed the trainings and if we met our goal. Kelly was able to use AimsWeb right after the first session. She was already familiar with the program, so we did not have to start from scratch. Before the end of the 6 weeks, she was able to use the program independently. Students use MobyMax just about every day, so she was able to see how students interact with the program and support when needed. She was independently supporting students using MobyMax by the 2nd week. By the 4th week, she was able to read and download reports and incentive pictures for the students. She still struggles with adjusting lessons and finding certain reports. The program has many types of reports. iPlan was the one difficult program to teach, not because it is difficult to learn, but because it is not used every day. We had to be diligent about our meeting times. Many were canceled due to something coming up that needed my attention. What resulted from this was her watching me input information or me telling her what I did, because of the time restraints of the paperwork needing to be completed. Therefore, she did not get a lot of practice using this program. She will need more training on this program. It was determined by both Kelly and I that the 6 weeks is long enough to train a student teacher technology as long as the student teacher is familiar with it and it is used most days. When a program is used sporadically, it will take longer for the student teacher to master the program. Either a longer period of student teaching should occur in our education programs, or support such as a teacher mentor be assigned when they are hired.